Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Elsa's Frozen 2 outfit on Dress to Impress. I did use a VIP item for this one. So let's get started with the video. I also use a Roblox item, but you can replace this with the Frozen sleeves as well. Removing everything except for the hair. For the hair, I use this hair in this color, which is this one, in position the X to 0.52, Y 0.45, Z 0.45, rotate the X to 0.52, Y 0.51. Grab this hair in no bangs, no adjustments made. Grab these bangs in the same color in the first toggle. Then for the outfit, I'm just going to grab these sleeves here in white. And then I also use this Roblox item here in white and opaque. But if you don't have that, just go to this one and grab this instead. Grab the Frozen dress in the second toggle, and I colored it this blue, C0E6FF. For the outfit, I just use this top with everything off except for the details. Color the first color white in light silk. The second one, I think I did purple. I think I did this light purple. I may make it a little bit darker, honestly, so you guys can see it a little bit better. Then I'm just going to do blue. I am going to use that instead, so you guys can see the blue a little bit better. It actually didn't show that well before. Grab this dress from codes. You can turn off VFX if you want to create more, I don't know, depth. Color the first one white in light silk, and then color the second one white as well, and then the third one this blue. Then I'm going to do, I think I'll do blue and then purple. Yeah, I'll do blue and then purple like that. And that's pretty much it really. Oh, I also used a cape from VIP, but that's optional if you don't have it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.